Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Chrome web browser on your PC. Once you have it open, go ahead and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. After that, access the first link that appears in the search results and you will be redirected to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. Here, click on the Access My Computer button. A new page will be displayed and you will see options to set up remote access. Click on the Download button to add the Remote Desktop extension to your browser. After adding the extension, click on the extension's icon located at the top right corner of your browser. From there, open the newly added Chrome Remote Desktop extension. You may need to click on the Download button again and wait for it to be completed. Once it is downloaded, open the setup file and install it onto your device. After installation, click on the Turn On button. You will then be prompted to name your PC and create a new PIN for security purposes. Once you have completed these steps, switch over to your mobile device. On your phone, go to the App Store or Play Store and install the Chrome Remote Desktop app. Once it is installed, open it up and log in with the same Google account that you used on your PC. After logging in, tap on your PC banner. It will prompt you to enter the security PIN that you created earlier. Simply enter it, and you will be able to access your PC remotely. Additionally, if you want to control your PC more easily, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the app and enable the trackpad feature. So that's basically how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.